Hello friends, I'm back with new Excel utility concatenate. We do often require joining of data situated at different locations. The same can be done with the help of concatenate. In illustrations, A, B, and C are written in different three locations. I can join these three with the help of concatenate. Select concatenate. Select the cell location of the data which you want to club together with the help of separator B, and now I will select C. Close this parenthesis, press enter. You will find EBC data located at different locations in a single cell. So again I will try this formula with a special character. Select concatenate. So I've chosen here E. Now I want to insert a space that can be inserted with the help of double inverted comma. Now select B and C. Close this parenthesis. You will find here a gap in between A, B, C. Here Ram is a good boy written in 5 columns. I can make them a sentence. So right here concatenate, select Ram, press here comma, provide a little space with the help of inverted comma, then select is, again comma. I will provide here a space in between, so space is provided with the help of inverted comma. Now I will select here A, again comma, again provide some space, comma, select good, comma, with the help of inverted comma, space has been selected. Now comma, and at last I will select here boy. Now close this parenthesis, press enter. You can see here the data which was written in different columns is now in the form of sentence. In practical work, we can use this Excel utility for various purposes. Every organization has a different pattern of indexing documents, files, etc. Suppose the company has a pattern to write company name, then document number, and in the last the financial year. Sigma slash 22 slash 2020-21 is the index number. Effectively, we can write with the help of concatenate without spending much effort. So I will write here concatenate. So first part is sigma. Sigma is written here. So I have selected here this. The same sigma will repeat or appear in every document. So rather than writing again and again, I'll prefer it to freeze this. So with the help of F4, we can freeze this. Now, comma, I will select here slash. That will also appear again and again. So I'll prefer it to freeze this. Next part is the number, serial number. With the help of cell reference, I will pick here serial number. Serial number I will keep open because every document have a unique serial number. So I've kept it open. Again I will select here slash. Don't forget to freeze this. At the end I will select 2020 and same I will freeze here. Now the syntax is written. Close this parenthesis and press enter. As soon as you write here number in the serial column, you will find the self-populated index number. Fill this series with the help of Alt H F I and series. Now you copy this formula, throughout the range, you will find here a index number. Practical work environment. Concatenate is also helpful while taking VLOOKUP, where the chances of data repetition is much more higher. In this illustration, I have taken sales report for the financial year 1920s, company name ABC Limited. Company has a various locations and it has been attended by various salesmen and for various product. So if I compare this data with corresponding period last year, which is in a separate sheet. So I will take here VLOOKUP. Here lookup value will be company name. So I have selected here company name and I'm comparing this data with another data sheet. I have selected the data range and the value column is in the fifth column of the table. So I have selected here fifth and for exact match I have selected here 0. Now drag this formula throughout the column. You will find here an identical result. The result is not accurate because VLOOKUP only select first available data. That error can be removed with the help of concatenate. Look at the data. Mumbai location is attended by two salesmen Amit and Kim for two different products. I will make here a unique lookup reference with the help of concatenate. So concatenate company name, location, salesman and product. Now the output is unique in itself. So chances of repetition is almost nil. The same we will carry out in the reference sheet of a reference worksheet also. So concatenate company name, location, salesman and product. Drag it throughout the column length. Now you can take VLOOKUP in an effective manner. So right here VLOOKUP, lookup value is the concatenated output. Source data is, I have selected here the source data. Values are in 7th column. So I will choose here 7 and press here 0. So I have selected here 7. Now press here 0, close this parenthesis and drag this formula throughout the column. Now see here, the this time the output is absolute. So you freeze this value, copy special and have the comparative output. ABC Limited Kanpur attended by Rahmat is reflecting an A. Why it is an A? You can check it manually. Now you can remove this. So friend, look how effectively using the concatenate you can simplify your work. Thank you.